Let us try to solve the fifth problem, and that is from the part B. So the program reads as follows: write a shell script to accept n integers and count positives, negatives, and zeros separately. Also, find the sum of positives and negatives. So, what is the meaning of it? You are supposed to accept some set of integer numbers. So, let's say these are the integer numbers. So, you will notice that some of them are positive, some of them are negatives. What they want us to do is they want us to find how many positive numbers are there. In this case, there are two positive numbers, and that is the count of positives as well as the count of negatives. Also, they want us to find how many zeros are there in the given set of numbers. Also, the sum of the positive numbers as well as the sum of the negative numbers. So these are the things that we are supposed to do in this particular shell script. So let's go to the shell script now. I'm going to go to the language, and I'm going to set the language as shell here. So that will be my language. Let me try to accept that n numbers. That is what they have said. So write a shell script to accept n integers. So let me echo it, and I'm going to suppress the new line, and I'm going to say enter the total number of elements. Okay, let me read that as max count. Okay, you can read it as anything else also. And what are the things that we are supposed to do? We are supposed to accept the maximum number of elements up to max count, and we are supposed to find the sum of positive, negative, zeros, as well as the, that is a count of positive, negatives, and zeros, as well as the sum of the positives and negatives. I'm going to take a few of the constant the variables here to do that thing. So I will say that positive counts, this will be used to count the number of positive. I will initialize it with 0. Negative counts, I'm going to initialize it with 0. This I'm going to use it for counting. And zero count, that I'm going to use it to count the number of zeros which are there. Also, positive sum, that is the sum of the positive numbers, and negative sum, that will be the sum of the negative numbers. I will also take the counter variable and initialize it with 1. So what is that I am going to do is, suppose you are given some numbers like 10, 30, 0, minus 7, let's say minus 4, minus 5, say minus 6, again 0. So say these are numbers, let's say, are given to you, and what is that you are supposed to do is check how many positives are there. So this is positive, this is positive, this is positive, totally 3 positives are there. So you are going to take that as 3. So positive count will be 3 in this case. Similarly, I will count the negative numbers, so 1, 2, and 3. So totally there are 3 negative numbers are there. So I'm going to store that in the negative count. So this will be the 3. This is used to store the negative counts. There are 2 zeros are there. So I will take the count as 2. Again, I'm going to sum them up. So this is going to be 47. So I will store that 47 in the positive sum. In the same way, I will add them, that is minus 15. I'm going to store in this one. So these are the variables that I'm using to store the values. Now what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to accept up to maximum count of numbers. So these many numbers I need to accept it. Let me use a while loop to accept those numbers. So I'm going to start with the $I less than or equal to dollar max count. And if you notice over here, I'm putting some space in between. So don't be so stringent. Use the space, otherwise you will not get the proper answer. So do, and let's say done. So I'm going to accept the number. So I'm going to say echo, and I will suppress the new line there, and I'm going to say enter the value for, let's say, $I element. Okay, let me do that, and I'm going to read it as en. Okay, not nc, en. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to check if the value so entered, that is the n that you are entering here, if that is greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, then what we are supposed to do? Then what is the meaning of saying if the number is greater than 0, then it is a positive. So I'm going to increase the positive count. So generally in your C program you will say PC is equal to PC plus 1, but I can't do that here. I will use the back quote, and I'm going to use the expression, and I'm going to say $PC plus 1. So this is how we are going to do, and I am supposed to sum the positive number because I want to find the sum of the positive number. So I'm going to say expression $psum plus $n. So I'm going to store that one. Then I'm going to use the other one, so that will be the one part. Else if, so elif, I'm going to go for the next one. What's the next one? If the number is not positive, then if the number is negative, so how do I say that? If it is less than 0, so if the number is less than 0, that means it is a negative number. Then what am I supposed to do? I'm supposed to do the same thing. Negative count is equal to, I'm going to increase the negative count, expr, and I'm going to say negative count plus 1. This is to count how many negative numbers are there. Next one is I'm going to sum the negative numbers, all negative numbers. So again I'm going to say expr n sum plus $n. So that will count the negative numbers. Apart from that, I am going to use the else part, not the else part. Okay, else part, if the number is not positive, the number is not negative, then if it is a number, it must be a 0. So I'm going to say 0 count equal to expression $0 count plus 1. Okay, then I'm going to close the if statement. Now I need to increase this counter value, that is I. So in your C program you will write I plus plus. I can't do that. I will have to do it in a long way of evaluating the expression $I plus 1. So this is what I'm going to do. Then I'm going to close the while loop. After that I'm going to do the printing part. So echo, and I'm going to say, so count of positive numbers. Okay, and I'm going to show the positive numbers, that is positive count PC. Hope I have taken the same variable PC there. Okay, then I'm going to do the same thing. I can use the copy paste to achieve that thing, sum of negative count of negative numbers, and I'm going to say this is NC. In the same way, I'm using copy paste, control C, control V, you can use it. Count of zeros, not this zeros, Okay, and I'm going to make it slightly appear here, and 0 count. Apart from that, I am supposed to say echo, and I am supposed to say sum of positive numbers. I can say that sum of positive numbers, and I am going to do the adjustment here so that it will appear neatly. And what else I can do here is dollar p sum. I have done that. In the same way, I can do the other part, that is I will use the sum of negative, okay, and n sum. Okay, that's all I need to do. Where is the n? Okay, so n sum. Okay, that's all we need to do. I'm going to copy this whole thing, control C to copy this one, and I think I can make a slight adjustment so that it looks neat. Okay, control C to copy it. Let me go to the Ubuntu part here, and I don't know that it just went back to the normal. Anyhow, I had actually adjusted. Just give me a second. What did I do here is I went to the properties and I went to the font, and I actually made the font as something like 24. Okay, and that's not working. So I will make the font as 28. Isn't that this is going to you're going to see that thing? Let me make it as 32 now. Making it very large, maybe it will be too much of a distraction. Hope you'll be able to see it on your monitor. So first thing, I'm going to use CD. That will take me to the desktop, and if you ls here, you will see BSc. This is a folder that I have created, and I'm going to go into the BSc folder, and you will notice that I'm in the BSc folder. And if you ls here, you will see all the previous programs. Then I'm going to use the nano. This is exercise b5.sh. This is a new b5.sh, and I'm going to paste it here. Control O to write it, and Control X to exit it. Then I'm going to say sh exb5.sh. So total number of elements are 5. Let me take the first value 10, next value 5, next value 0, next value minus 5, and next value minus 10. So what will be the count? You notice that there are two positive numbers are there, so you get these two positive numbers. Two negative numbers are there, so you get these two negative numbers, and 1 0 is there, so you get 1 0, and the sum of them will be plus 15 and minus 15, and that's what you're going to get it. Now if at all you really, that ends the program, but if at all you want to show it in a neat beautiful way, you can do that thing. Now this is what you're supposed to do during the output. So don't expect me to tell you all these things. You get the output in a very neat beautiful way, and if at all you want, you can also put some colors here. How did we get the colors here? 0, 33, and I'm going to say 0 light color, let's say 44 M, and I'm going to do, this is a escape sequence. Now if you were wondering what is that thing, that's actually a escape sequence to get the thing. Okay, I'm going to just use this Control C. I'm going to delete this one, and I'm going to paste it. So let's see how it's going to appear. I'm going to just copy it once, Control C, and let me go to the Ubuntu and let me clear everything. I'm going to remove this file there, RM, and I'm going to use the nano to get this thing again. Control O to write it, Control X to exit it, and then I'm going to just run my program. So 5 elements in total. So again I'm going to give the same number. So I have 0, I have then minus 5, minus 9, whatever it is, minus 10. So you get like this. Okay, something that is appealing, do that thing. That's all in this program. Thank you for your interest. Hope you'll be able to execute this program. Thank you.